Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mega Man in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Mega Man excels at controlling the stage with his unique projectile arsenal. His metal blade is incredibly versatile, allowing for quick attacks, throws, and even edge guarding. The Crash Bomber applies consistent pressure and can break shields with sustained hits. Remember to integrate Leaf Shield for both defense and surprising close-quarters offense, making him a formidable zoning character with many options. Mega Man's offense often begins with his projectiles. A well-placed metal blade can lead into a dash attack or an aerial combo. The Crash Bomber, when it connects, opens opportunities for follow-up grabs or smash attacks. His forward air is excellent for continuing aerial pressure, while his up air can juggle opponents for significant damage. Practice these sequences to maximize your offensive output and keep opponents guessing your next move. Defensively, Mega Man has strong options. His Leaf Shield can absorb projectiles and protect him during close-range engagements. For recovery, Rush Coil provides exceptional vertical height, making it difficult to edge guard him from below. Combine this with his double jump and air dodge to mix up your recovery path. Always look for opportunities to punish opponents who overcommit or miss their attacks, turning their aggression into your advantage. For advanced play, mastering the Z-Drop Metal Blade is crucial. This technique allows you to drop the projectile while airborne, creating unexpected attack angles and extending combos. Effective projectile spacing is key to controlling the stage and limiting your opponent's options. Study different character matchups to tailor your approach, as some opponents require more aggressive tactics while others demand careful zoning. Consistent practice will elevate your Mega Man gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.